Let the fire of God in me declares the move of God. The fire of God in me I cannot contain. I have to share the fire of God in me. Every day I walk in the path of life. Your mighty hands, oh Lord, is the guide